September 6th, 2024. I'm on Chestnut Street in Philadelphia, looking directly at the Museum of the American Revolution, which has only been there about 2 or 3 years. And I'm right opposite the old Customs House. And since December, a group of activists have been protesting what's going on in Gaza and in the West Bank, in Palestine, and they call it Fridays with Fetterman. So let's look at some of the signs. This is mainly a Quaker group, so it's a quiet, non-violent vigil where we talk to each other and comfort each other in this massive betrayal by the electeds in Congress. And it's not just the Democrats, it's not just the Republicans. For reasons that we really don't understand, the United States Congress is firmly behind the genocide of Gaza, the murder of little girls like Hind, who called for help. And the people that were helping her were shot. And her body was found with 300 bullets in it. To conflate Judaism with Zionism is really awful. My late husband was born to a woman who was classified as a Jew in Nazi Germany. He was born in 1941 in Wiesbaden, and his birth was illegal because anyone classified as a Jew had their German citizen taken away from them, and other German citizens were not allowed to have anything to do with them. But my father-in-law, Lothar Blossfeld Sr. from Magdeburg, wasn't going to put up with any of that. He was a very active resistor, although quiet about it, because he knew what he was up against. Very interesting man. He saved the life of Ruth and his baby son, and her sister and her children, and his sister's children. They would have nothing to do with Israel or Zionism. They just saw it as an extension of Nazis, which to some extent it was in Nazi Germany. The Nazis couldn't believe anything could be so spectacular as Zionists who wanted to take all the Jews out of Germany and put them somewhere else. That was Hitler's dream. And there's all kinds of history. Historians have written about the problem of Zionism in Zionists in Hungary. There we are, there's Jason Massey, true resistor. And that's the nice thing about Quaker protests is sort of nothing happens, and yet everything happens. There's something very beautiful about silence and quiet resistance. I understand occasionally the police have interfered, but it doesn't look like they're doing that today. So it's from 12 to 1 every Friday, something like that. And I'm told that by the organizers that there are 50 people who rotate through. People come when they can. So I'm going to cross the road now. This beautiful building. All these gorgeous buildings. This is like the ancient Greek section of Philadelphia. You just have some of these buildings that, or maybe this actually looks like ancient London, this building. And here we are, protesting. Now why they choose this particular area is because the office of Senator John Fetterman, who's the federal senator, one of the two senators from Philadelphia, from Pennsylvania. We are no US tax dollars for war on Gaza. Let Gaza live. These signs are beautiful and they're all handmade too. Let Gaza live. That's what we want. Ceasefire now. For 11 months we've been asking for a ceasefire. Okay, well, I think that will do for now. In my next recording, we have a speaker talking, and I will be videoing her. Susanna J. Jefferson, September 6th, 2024.